In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on any Windows laptop to instantly capture your screen. If you need to save an image of what is on your display to share or save for later, I'm going to show you the fastest keyboard shortcut to capture your entire screen or a specific area. I am using a Windows laptop to demonstrate this, and this native shortcut works universally across all laptop brands. No third-party apps needed. First, get the exact screen or window ready that you want to capture. Press and hold the left Shift key, the Windows key, and the S key all at the same time. Your screen will gently dim and a top menu will appear letting you choose your capture mode, like rectangular, window, or full screen. Click, hold, and drag your cursor over the specific area you want to save. Release your mouse button and the screenshot is instantly copied to your clipboard. To find and manage your saved image files, open up your File Explorer. Click on Pictures on the left side menu and open the Screenshots folder where your images are permanently stored. It is that fast and easy. Now you can capture, save, and share anything on your screen in seconds. Make sure to subscribe to the Gen 2 Solutions family for more hidden tech secrets, and I will see you in the next video.